Hello friends, welcome back to our channel All-in-One. In this tutorial, today I am going to teach you in a very different way. Without wasting time, let's get started. First of all, we can see what we can learn in this video, that are the strings in Python and examples. Let's see what is a string. Now, strings are the most popular types in Python. Strings in Python are used to represent a Unicode character's value. Python does not have a characters data type. A single character is also considered as a string. We denote or declare the string's value inside the single quotes or double quotes. To access the values in a string, we use indexes and square brackets. Now, what is our second? We can have an example of that. Okay. Now, as you can see, I had taken an example that name was Python. And downside there are some numbers like 0, 1, 2, 3 like that, and in that number there are again numbers that was in negative, -1, -2, -3 and so on. So what is the use of that numbers? Okay, suppose I want to print h from the Python word. So how would I print that? Simply I had typed name, and in that name I had taken the square bracket, because we had already see strings are used square bracket. Okay, just let's try this example. I had taken the name equals to double quotation Python, and just simply name and square bracket, and in that square bracket I just put 3 and I got an output like h. Okay, nice. So why I should type 3? But actually you can see in screen position of h was 4. So why I should print or type 3 number? Because Python count from index, and our index was 0, and in that 0 position there was p. If I would like to print p, then simply type name, and in that name afterwards I had taken a square bracket, and in that square bracket I had just put 0 number, so I got an p. Let's take this example, name and square bracket 0, I got an p. Okay, so let's now downside there was a negative numbers. Now what is the use of that negative numbers? -1, -2, -3, they are same, but if I want to print n, so just I want to simply name, and in that name just square bracket I just simply type -1, so I get n. Okay, n. Like that you can solve many examples of string. And if I want to print p again, so I want to use -6, so I got an p again. Like that there are positive and negative numbers, as Python was count from index to last number. If I want to print YTH, that 3 words, then how I will print that? Just simply I had taken an example, name, in that bracket I had taken 1 and semicolon I am using, and -2. It will give me YTH, because y is a starting point, and I had wrote 1, so it's starting from y and ending -2, so -1 and -2, just left at 0, O, and I got an YTH output. And if I want to print name, and that starting point from 2 and ending point was -1, so I got an THO, right? THO, starting point was 2 was our T, and my ending point was our -1, so -1 is N. So Python was not count N, it will count THO, so I got an output THO. Like that you can solve many examples as you wish. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel to get more updates. Thank you for watching.